In the last video, we learned how the map Polyfill works internally. Today, let's build the filter Polyfill from scratch. A polyfill is basically our own implementation of an existing JavaScript method. JavaScript already gives us the filter method, but today we'll create our own version of it. But before building it, let's quickly understand how filter actually works. Suppose we have an array of numbers. Now, if we use the filter method, the callback function decides whether each element should stay in the final array or not. If the callback returns true, the element is included. If it returns false, the element is skipped. In this example, since we're keeping only even numbers, the output becomes 2 and 4. Now let's build this ourselves. Array.prototype.filter is equal to a function that receives a callback. Inside this function, this refers to the original array itself. For example, if we call this custom filter function on an array with values 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then print this, we'll get the original array as our output. Coming back to our implementation, let's create a result array because filter always returns a brand new array. Then we loop through the original array. We check whether that index actually exists inside the array. This ensures that sparse or empty slots are skipped, exactly how the native filter method behaves internally. Now inside this block, we execute the callback. And just like native filter, we pass 3 values: current element, current index, and the original array. If the callback returns true, the element is included. If it returns false, the element is skipped. Finally, we return the result array. Now let's test it. Suppose we have an array of numbers 1 to 5, and we add a callback to check for elements greater than 2. Here, the output becomes 3, 4, and 5. Now let's test with sparse arrays. Notice how the empty slot is skipped completely, and that's exactly how the native JavaScript filter method works internally. In the next video, we'll build the reduce polyfill from scratch.